Hey gang, it's Robin Da Vinci, and I am going to talk to you about what I talk to my seniors at a local high school. How to track your debit and credit card expenses in an easy way, but probably something that you've been delaying doing or just don't want to do at all. Because I understand from everyone I talk to that money and bookkeeping and tracking things drives people crazy. And they say, I have too much going on. I have my kids in soccer. I have my husband works nights. I work days. I'm making dinner. We're doing homework. I can't do it. Or my job is 12 hours a day and I'm tired when I get home and I just don't want to do it. Well, I'm here to tell you, sorry, you got to do it. You got to put on your grown-up pants. Just like I tell my kids at the high school, you don't get to say no to this. This is one of those things that, oh my goodness, if you don't do it, you're going to regret it. I have a system that I work with my granddaughter that I'm training her because she just graduated from high school. And I'm training her how to keep track of her money and how to spend the money she makes more intelligently as she starts community college. And here's the way it works. Almost everybody, and I say this respectfully, has a computer. And all of you have the ability to save a PDF on your computer. So every single month, you need to download your credit card statement and your bank statement into a month folder, drag it over, put it in your folder for August 2024. And then when you buy anything or you go online and buy anything, you take a picture of that, email it to yourself, or if you have a scanner, and scan that receipt or move that receipt into that folder. So picture this. On your computer, you have a folder that says 2024, and then you have 12 subfolders for each month. And in that month, all you do, put your bank statement in it, put your receipts in it, and your credit cards. And then you can organize it and see, did my debit card get charged for something I didn't buy? Oh, here's all my debit card receipts. Oh, I have a Visa and I have an American Express. And here's my receipts. And then you have a folder for the month of January, February, March, all the way through with your statements and your receipts. And you can start looking at it and see if it backs up, if it makes sense. Now, I have that, but I also have physical files in my office. Personal, one for each month, and business, one for each month. And I put everything I do for my company in the month it happens and everything I do for my personal in the month that it happens. And then I match it up and I make sure that no one charged me double and that I have every receipt. And if I need to send something back, give something back, take something back, whatever it is, I have all of the backup in my file folders and I have them on the computer. And it's really important for you to get into 2024 and have your online bank statements PDF onto your computer. It's really important to have your online credit card statements go to your computer because they're not going to send out stuff anymore. More and more and more companies are getting away from even giving you paper statements. So get with it, catch up, and start doing that. I am telling you, it will give you such peace of mind to know everything I did in July 2024 is there. Everything. It will help you with audits. If you ever get an IRS audit, it's going to help you track your spending. You're going to say, oh my goodness, I took out $300 from my ATM and I've got the receipts for it. I spent this at Starbucks. I spent this at the craft store. I spent this at the grocery store. I used my debit card and here's all the receipts. And you said, what the hell am I spending? It really helps. If you never look at it, and believe me, I know people who do this with their money all the time. If you never look at it, you're never going to know what the hell you're doing. You're not going to understand how you spent your money. And I guarantee you, if you're on a tight budget, this will ramp back your spending in a way that will make you very, very happy. You cannot go around not seeing what's happening with your money. You can't do it. You can't do it. Please don't do it. I don't want you doing it anymore. And I'm begging you as the money lady and having lived through poverty as a child and tight squeeze when I got a divorce, that looking at how you spend your money is the number one way that you'll understand how local governments work, state governments work, and how the federal government works. By micromanaging your own money, you're going to understand that they need to do the same in the macro. So don't shy away from this, please. I have more tips for you. If you want them, put them in the comments and I will absolutely absolutely give you more tips. But basic number one bookkeeping skill, get 12 folders with the dates on them and put everything in them. Save your receipts. When you go to the store and they say, do you want a receipt? Do not say no, say yes. Keep that paper until you are confident that you are tracking every dime you spend. That's the only way you'll get any sanity in this crazy world. So I hope these tips help. I think really looking at your debit and credit card spending is going to make a big difference in your money sanity. And I'm the money lady and I want to help. So thanks for listening, like and subscribe. And I have more where that comes from. See you soon.